My name is Bongani Makubu. I'm the chairperson of the ANC Ward 56 in Paul Sihluku zone. As the ANC, we have taken a decision to come here today, Mzamo Primary School. The main objective for our visit, we call it a back to school campaign. It's what we do historically. We've been more than 5-10 years we've been doing this thing. Every January we visit various schools to check their readiness, assist in cleaning the yard like we have done right now. And we'll still be here tomorrow when the school officially opens, just to see that at the first day of school, the culture of teaching and learning happens in a cordial environment that is conducive for proper learning and development of our learners.
Since you said you're gonna be coming here tomorrow to check and make sure with the education culture continues or it's flowing smoothly. So seeing that there are lights that were destroyed here this morning, that we discovered this morning, what can you say to the community members regarding all the schools, not just this particular school? In terms of security and taking care of their school, because the school is important.
Yeah, the issue of crime in general is a concern in our society. So it's something that as the ANC you have taken it as an apex priority, where we organize community members, we conscientize them about taking care of the institution like a school. A school is a very, very important asset for community development. So we must community members must safeguard it, with all the concerns that they have. Because, when you destroy an institution like school, whether it's clinic, that is a social infrastructure that is meant for proper development of society. So we need to guard that jealously and ensure that it becomes part of every one of us in the community must take it as a personal responsibility to ensure that whoever saw something here must report it to the police, and we must also form what we call policy community forums and street committees, so that we make sure that over and above just the guarding of schools, even in the society, issue of crime is a very thorny issue. So we must also take it over and above the schooling infrastructure and ensure that the community in general becomes a safe environment for our communities.
And coming back to your cleaning campaign that you were doing here, that was the hardest. What did you see that needed your attention for you to take this decision to come and clean the school?
Yeah, no. Iskolo alone, let appeal in the society. About Mabezalana, there'll be others that will be coming here for the first time. I went on a grade R and a grade 1. So, I'll appeal in terms of understanding good less school. So what we call the physical outlook of the school must be able to give you a sense that this is a learning environment. It's not just curriculum based the school, but na environment may be clean so that the teacher nayo. Just the physical appearance may teach about cleanliness. So our main concern was about cleanliness of the school so that the scholars appeal to the culture of learning and teaching in general.
Okay, and now we know ukuthi there's this issue, burning issue yama abantwana abantwana bama illegal immigrants or abanganama documents. And what's your take nina as a political party around lana eThokoza? As you know ukuthi lana eThokoza we've got a huge number yabantu who are foreigners, our brothers from the diaspora South Africa. I might not say ukuthi mhlamba abanye abanama ID but siyazi ukuthi bakhona bangaphandle, and khona abantu bathi abantwana bakhona kumelanga bangene ezikolweni bafunde without proper documentation.
Yeah, in South Africa is what we call a constitutional democracy. Constitutional democracy meaning we have laws and policies in this country that governs either its Immigration Act, Refugee Act, and many other acts ezigovern abantu bokufika kuleli. Ukuthi kunemigomo nemibandela kumele uyilandelele. Uma ungakwenzanga lokho, that is criminality on its own. So we cannot look at it in a sense ukuthi we are being xenophobic or otherwise. That is not the issue. An issue is that there are laws that are governing migration policies in this country. They must be followed to the letter. That is why they are laws. They are legislated. So everyone else who comes to a country is obliged. It's upon themselves to follow the laws of the country. Be it on any other thing that is there. As long as there is a law must be followed to the letter. So there are no exceptions just because abantu they are foreign nationals, therefore there must be exceptions for them. No. Much as South Africans, there are no exceptions. So ANC intention is that everyone else is subjected to follow that. And for as long as ungayilandelanga, it means now you have contravened the law. And if you contravene the law, unfortunately, there can't be an exception for you just because you are an illegal or foreign national. You'll be subjected like any other South African or halala. But since you have broken the law, then
And then last message to e-community and nabantwana besikolo abazali abanabantwana bazoza esikoleni kusasa.
Yeah, single ANC like Ward 56, we've just entered 2026. So we have entered the year, we are very hopeful, and it's part of the year that is earmarked for local government elections. So we are encouraging abazali to take abantwana babo 18 years bahambe bayo-register so that bazokwazi ukuvota kuma local government elections. It is important ukuthi ivote umuntu alenze because you speak through your vote. And esikhathini esiningi if you don't participate in voting process, you cannot necessarily complain because you are not participating. So wonke umuntu akathatha indima a-register. Abantwana basesebancane kakhulukazi abase high school, the first time voters bazokwazi ukuthi babe know for who governs them, because local government is very important sphere of government. It is closer to communities. That's a core essence of the service delivery. That's where it happens. So they must participate fully, and it's not an option or participate because when we are protest, it will not help you. But what must help you must go to that voting station, you make your mark, and ensure that you take part in who governs you at the local sphere of government.